15 days. No progress has been made on the case. That woman who came in here a couple weeks ago, she...
Oh my God, tell me about it. She just came in here screaming for help. She was about to give birth, and she was begging for us to find a cure. I mean, normally we don't do this, but...
Okay, guys, look, I'm heterozygous for sickle cell disease. So if you're gonna do this for anyone, do it for me. Guys, please help. My husband and I were both heterozygous for sickle cell disease, and I need to know if my baby's gonna have it. Please, can I perform a test or something?
Wait, who are you?
My name is Christina Mann. My full name is Christina Wu Mann.
Okay, well, I mean, sure, but, you know, the CDC doesn't normally do stuff like this, right? And you know that sickle cell anemia is a somatic cell disease, so you can't get it unless you're genetically predisposed for this disorder.
Come this way and lie down. We're going to perform an amniocentesis. Are you familiar with this procedure?
Well, I mean, I heard about it in my bio class once. My teacher, Miss Vince or something, explained it. I don't know, I never did my topics.
Oh, okay. Well, so basically what it is we're going to take a syringe, just like this, and we'll sample your amniotic fluid. At that point, we'll check the baby's karyotype, and we'll also check the red blood cells for any sign of sickle cell anemia.
Is it gonna hurt?
It'll be okay.
Here we go.
Oh no, my contractions! Oh, ah, ah!
We have some bad news, ma'am. She's positive. I'm sorry, but we'll do everything for your daughter.
Come on, guys, we have to find a cure. Let's stop and go over the facts. Sickle cell anemia is an autosomal recessive genetic disorder in which the codon for GAG that produces glutamic acid changes to GTG and produces valine.
So we also know that because of that point mutation, we have the normal balloon or donut-shaped cells, red blood cells, are being changed into more globular and really irregular and unconventional shapes. Therefore, they're unable to carry the oxygen as well or as effectively as normal red blood cells.
Don't forget that the misshapen cell can also cause clogging, which can lead to stroke or even heart attack.
Well, darn. And there's no cure for it?
Well, I mean, there are treatments like antibiotics, which we can give to kids to prevent infection or blood transfusion, but that can be really traumatic, especially if you're young.
Oh, wait. I remember reading something about this. Okay, here, look. I mean, it says right here that bone marrow can actually be used to treat the development of sickle cell cells in their early stages. I mean, isn't it disfigured bone marrow cells that start the disease in the first place?
Yes, but it's extremely traumatic and excruciatingly painful. Not to mention you have to find a bone marrow donor who matches the recipient. That can take weeks.
Let's just take a step back and look at her blood again. Oh, wait. Wow. I'm looking at the girl's blood under the microscope, and I have some potentially better than horrible news. Okay, so, half of her blood cells seem to be normal and half are sickle, which means that she's heterozygous.
Well, I mean, this is a good sign. If you're so unlucky to have the disease, it's a good thing to be heterozygous. I mean, there are some advantages that come with it.
So, isn't that the heterozygous advantage? I mean, isn't that the one where malaria and other similar diseases can't infect the sickle cells? So, the person then has a much less chance to get infected.
Don't get me wrong, she'll still have a lot of problems with the clogging of the arteries and oxygen deficiencies, but as far as mosquito bites, she's good.
So that doesn't change anything. We still need to work towards a cure, or at the very least, a viable treatment option. Christian, can we get another sample? Here.
Well, if you think it's necessary.
Okay, here we go. Thanks.